Okay na usapan natin. Release the room ng sinabi. We can go out. You cannot. No. Even during Cory's time, hindi ginawa to. Even during Cory's time, Salonga did not allow. We're going to walk him out. We can arrest him right outside the gate. He's voluntary. Respect the institution. This is not about him going. We're going out. No, don't leave right here. He can be arrested right there. So if you don't want to take a statement there, sir, just outside the gate, we're going to walk 5 minutes. This is the Senate of the Philippines. It's never been done. It's never been done. Salonga stood up for Enrile. Ang kalaban si Cory. Ang kaso, rebellion. Anong ginawa? They walked out. We're just asking you to walk out, but let's walk. Let's walk. Go. Rest in here. Sir, this is the Senate. Sir, this is the Senate. Not for me. That's not for me. This is for the Senate, sir. Sir, that's for the Senate. For the country. Sir, kumain ka na lang. Kumain ka na right outside the door. Right outside the door. Right outside the door.
Dito lang po sa gilis para pwede makakalimutan nasa.
Maraming beses po ako inalok na talikuran ang independent majority block kapalit ang pagbabasura sa aking kaso. Ngunit, hindi ko po ito tinanggap. Mas nanaig ang paninindigan ko na ako'y manatili sa hanay ng mga kasamahan ko sa independent majority block. I stand my ground. Ngayon kung tatanungin niyo kung sino sila, abangan ninyo ang susunod na kabanata. I am already receipt of the warrant of arrest issued against me by the 5th Division of the Sandigan Bayan. Nais ko lang pong bigyan din ang mga bagay na ito. I will remain firmly with the majority bloc under the leadership of Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano. Hindi ako matitinag sa anumang panggigipit, pananakot, political maneuvering para talikuran ang aking paninindigan. I will not yield to threats. I will not be intimidated. I will not be pressured into surrendering my independence of judgment. I am giving instructions to the Senate Secretary to put on hold my salary. Personal kong pasya ito upang ipakita sa sambayan ng Pilipino na wala akong intensyon makinabang sa pondo ng bayan habang nililinis ko ang aking pangalan. At higit sa lahat, hindi ako papasailalim ng kustodya ng Senado. I will not seek Senate custody. Hindi ko gagamitin ang Senado bilang panangga laban sa mga aligasyon sa akin. Nakahanda akong ipagtanggol ang aking sarili sa hukuman at hindi ako magtatago sa likod ng institusyong ito upang umiwas sa proseso. Ipagtatanggol ko hanggang sa huli ang aking sarili para patunayan na walang batayan ang mga paratang sa akin. Kalokohan ang lahat na ito. Mismo ang Senate Legislative Budget Research and Monitoring Office o LBRMO ang nagsabi sa Ombudsman na wala silang anuman dokumento o record na nagpapakita na ako ay nagpasok ng anuman insertion sa 2025 national budget. Ang mahalagang impormasyon nito ay kinilala pa mismo ni dating Senate Blue Ribbon Chairman Senator Panfilo Lacson bilang isang makabuluhang ebidensya na sumasalungat sa mga aligasyong ibinabato laban sa akin. So how can the office of the ombudsman file a plunder case against me when I am not even alleged to be part of or the mastermind of the supposed scheme? Wala po akong kinalaman dyan. Ngayon ko lang po isa sa publiko ito. Maraming beses po ako inalok na talikuran ang independent majority block kapalit ang pagbabasura sa aking kaso. Ngunit, hindi ko po ito tinanggap. Mas nanaig ang paninindigan ko na ako'y manatili sa hanay ng mga kasamahan ko sa independent majority block. I stand my ground. Ngayon kung tatanungin niyo kung sino sila, abangan ninyo ang susunod na kabanata. I stand my ground because what is at stake here goes far beyond my personal circumstances. What is at stake here is the independence of the Senate. This institution must never become vulnerable to external pressure. It must remain free from political coercion, free from undue influence, and free from any scheme designed to weaken its constitutional role as a co-equal and independent branch of government. If this is the price I must pay for the decisions I have made and the principles I have chosen to uphold, then I am prepared to face the consequences, however difficult they may be, especially for my family. I will not be broken by accusations, nor will I yield to political pressure. I will meet these charges head on, defend my honor through due process, and place my faith in the truth. I will be proceeding now to the CIDG to voluntarily surrender myself. Maraming salamat po.